Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a 7x12. A 7x12 deep blue with blackout. It's got the blackout package. It's also got the latched barn door style door on the side. See the blacked out rims. It's got the LED running lights all the way around. This thing is beautiful. Like I said, it's a 7x12, 7,000 pound axles, LEDs. It's built to work, y'all. It's got the thermoplastic ceiling liner. I'm gonna show you that real quick. And I did mention it had the 7K axles. Let's get this one open. There we go. Thermoplastic. It's gonna make it much cooler in here than a normal trailer. Very pretty trailer. Y'all come check it out. Don't forget, hey, Doug, the trailer dude. I'm in Monroe at Silverado trailer. Silverado. Well, listen to me. Silverline trailers. I'm thinking of trucks. I'm saying Silverado. Silverline trailers, 3121 Kilpatrick Boulevard in Monroe. Give me a call, 318-884-9869. Right now, this is the only one I've got in that color, but I have several trailers to choose from. We've got the enclosed, got plenty of open top, regular utility, equipment, you name it. Y'all come see me, Doug the Trailer Dude. Thanks, guys. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Put a thumbs up down there for me. I'd appreciate it.